Welcome to the Trump Comedy Hour, where reality is stranger than fiction. Today's special, Trump's epic battle with vintage typewriters. Watch as he fumbles with the carriage return like it's a secret nuclear code and squints at the keys as if they're written in ancient hieroglyphics. "Where's the tweet button?" he asks, baffled. The clackety-clack echoes his confusion, while bystanders try not to laugh. One onlooker jokes, "It's like watching a goldfish drive a stick shift." Think you could do better? Comment below or you'll be forced to write all your texts on a typewriter.